I just bought a $4,000 MacBook M1 Pro. So gentlemen, this is weird for me to say, but MENS Improvement, this very channel or this very brand, on this day, 28th of December 2021, MENS Improvement is 2 years old. I've created this brand, this company 2 years ago. It's weird for me to say because time flies so fast, but then again, it feels like I've created this channel a few months ago. It feels surreal to say that I have been doing this MENS Improvement thing for 2 years now, and I have not regretted any second of doing it. I've somehow managed to grow this channel to almost 4,000 subscribers, and I have gotten a YouTube Shorts video with almost 500,000 views. I don't know what's happening. I hope that you guys like the content I'm creating for you guys. I'm trying to create as much content as possible to as many people as possible. So I'm not only doing the motivational stuff to boost your guys' motivation and confidence, but I'm also doing stuff with the fashion, skincare, fragrances to just improve the different areas in your life to make you the best possible version of yourself, while I'm doing the same for myself, because I also want to become the best version of myself. But to say that this brand MENS Improvement is 2 years old today, it feels crazy, and I want to commemorate this moment with a cheers to say congratulations to myself with doing this for 2 years and hopefully for many more years to come. As we say in Poland, na zdrowie. And guys, as you saw earlier in the video, my MacBook, I received it a week ago. I just can't wait. I have been waiting for this beast of a machine for 6 weeks, and I'm so happy. This thing is one of the most luxurious items I have ever bought. I love it. It's so quick, it's so snappy. In almost a month's time, I'm going to get a new camera. I'm basically recording on my phone, my iPhone 8 Plus, which is 3.5 years now. I'm going to record on an iPhone 13 Pro Max. So better camera, better quality, better sound. Everything is going to be better in the coming months. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the like button if you are excited just as much as I am for the brand's future MENS Improvement. And once again, thank you so much for subscribing. If you're subscribed, if you're not subscribed to the channel, it would mean the world to me. And years of building this company, MENS Improvement, and for many years to come. I can't wait, and I hope that you're here for the journey. As always, gentlemen, smile more, it's free.